Alright guys, this is part 2 of my signal update video here. We're up here at milepost 661 on the Norfolk Southern Sunbury line. We're at the start of the Dalton siding here, Dalton siding south. So this is really the south end of the siding. So anyway, this is part 2 of the signal update video, where I'm going to teach you guys the different signal readings I've encountered up here since the new signals were installed. So anyway, let's take a look. So here are the new northbound signals here. And the signal readings are actually quite simple and easy to read. But I figured we'd show you how to read them anyway. So for those of you who are new to this line, or if you're used to the old searchlight signals that were here before these ones were put in, I'll probably put some links down in the description so you guys can refer to how to read the Canadian style searchlight signals. Which, by the way guys, this line used to be owned by Canadian Pacific, but now it's owned by Norfolk Southern. So I'm going to teach you guys the new signal readings here. So anyway, these are the new northbound signals. So you guys can see on our top signal we have 3 lights, the middle signal we have 2 lights, and the bottom signal we have 3 lights. So guys, when we do our signal readings, we always go from top to bottom, because when the searchlight signals were here, the way Norfolk Southern train engineers that drive the trains on this line, they learned how to read the signals Canadian Pacific style, in which they still use that method today. But anyway, let's take a closer look at the signals here. So guys, we're going to do the most obvious signal reading, which is all reds, which means all 3 signals are showing a red light, and that's normally a stop signal. But sometimes on a signal block, you're wondering, why are all the other signals red? Well, it also depends too which way the train is going. Sometimes the train is going the other way than than what you're looking at. So anyway guys, I've had it happen before where we thought a northbound would be stopping because all these signals were showing red lights. But it turns out, guys, the southbound mainline signals up there, ones on the main line, were showing a green over red over red. So this first signal reading on these signals here is green over red, which tells the engineer on a northbound train that the track ahead is clear, but they are not allowed to go any faster than track speed, which on this line is 40 miles per hour. So the next signal reading with the red and green lights for these signals in particular is red over green, which means that the track ahead is clear, but the train can go no faster than slow speed, which I want to say is around 15 miles per hour. I'm not sure. But anyway, when we move on to our yellow lights here, our yellow and red signal lights, so if you guys see what's called a clear to stop signal, that means on the top signal there, the middle light would be lit, which is a yellow light. And then on the middle and bottom signals, the lights would be red, which are the bottom lights on these signals. So then there's medium clear to stop, which the signal is red over yellow over red. So the top signal is red, the middle signal is showing a yellow light, and the bottom signal is showing a red light. So that tells the train driver, just like clear to stop. Now with the clear to stop signal, which is yellow over red, the train can be going no faster than track speed, but they have to be that clear to stop signal means that the next signal is going to be a stop signal. So the train can be going no faster than track speed, but they have to be able to slow down enough to stop at the next signal. So anyway, with medium clear to stop, it's the same thing. The track ahead is clear, but the train can be going no faster than medium speed, which I think is 30 miles per hour, by the way. But anyway, if you see medium clear to stop, that means the train can be going no faster than medium speed, but the next signal will also be a stop signal. And then there's red over yellow. Now, if it's a red over flashing yellow, that's a slow clear to stop signal. So that means the track ahead is clear, But if you see the flashing yellow light, that means that that's a slow clear to stop. So the track ahead will be clear, but the train can be going no faster than slow speed, which I think is 15 miles per hour. So anyway, if you see a solid yellow, a solid red over solid yellow, then that's a restricting signal, which means the train can only go at restricting speed through the area. So anyway, there's another signal reading too that I've encountered lately. Actually, the first time these were installed, we had a northbound deal and they were pulling onto the siding. Well, actually it was a southbound. I was up in La Plume at the time. But it's the same with these signals here, and I got it once or twice, where you have what's called a medium clear to slow signal, which means the top signal light would be red, the middle one will be yellow, but the bottom one will be green, which means that the train can go no faster than medium speed, but the track ahead will be clear, but the train can be going no faster than 30 miles per hour, but they must be able to slow down to 15 miles per hour in order to pass the next signal, which is slow speed. So anyway, guys, I thought you would find this video useful. If you did, please comment down below what you think, and we'll see you guys in another video.